Ready to see what we've managed to accomplish? And hi everyone! So, what we're going to go through in this course is going to be really fun, and that is we're going to create our own sportswear set or activewear set or dancewear set. So we're going to learn how to create this sports bra over here, okay, with proper lining, with proper padding, with proper padding inserts and stuff like that. And we're also going to create this shorts over here. Alright, so this is using a gold metallic fabric. Let me show you how beautiful this fabric is. But go ahead to use whatever fabric you want, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to line the shorts, how to line the tops, how to make it really comfortable for the dancer or for yourself or for anyone that you're making this for, okay? And more importantly, how to work with many layers of fabric. So if you want to learn how to sew this set over here, go ahead, move on to the next topic, and I'll be really excited to share with you all my tips and tricks on how to sew your own activewear set. Okay. So I am going to add my logo to the back of the shorts. So as I fold it over, I'm just going to kind of pin this here so I remember that I need to do that. If not, the machine have a good grip, especially at the thicker areas, you know. Ready to see what we've managed to accomplish? And ta-da! So, you have finally created your own shorts. Gold metallic fabric. I'm loving this color. I'm starting to love this color more and more. And you've also created your own top over here. We have spent so much time and we've managed to accomplish this, so I think it overall looks great. So pulling a little closer so you can see the finished look, I think it looks very clean, very pristine, very nice. So for the shorts part, it looks great. And then for the bottom, and for the bottom, I mean for the bra top, I think it looks great. Happy with how this looks.